How to delete your Travelfika account. So hey guys, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to delete your Travelfika account permanently using the app step by step. Easily guys, you can follow this very easily. All we need to do right now is open our Travelfika app. So when you to your Travelfika app, it's quite very simple. Here, I'll be teaching you step by step. Click on account on the bottom right corner right there. After clicking on account right there, you'll be located right here. So at your profile area, all we need to do is go down till you see delete account right there. Once you click say delete account, press on delete account. Now we need to enter our email address. There you go, join@gmail.com. Click on check right there. After entering email address, we're gonna enter a password right here. Then click on delete account. And after clicking on delete account, you should confirm account details. Are you sure you want to delete your account permanently? And once you are sure that you want to delete your account permanently, click on the red button right there, the delete. After pressing delete, account deleted successfully. Your account has been successfully deleted. So there you go. As you can see right now, back to home. So there you go. Our account has now been deleted here. So we just need to refresh it. And then we're done. So yeah, there you go. That's how you delete your account in Travelfika. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys enjoyed, if you have any question, concerns, let me know in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on Guide Glimpse. So there you guys. Thank you guys and see you guys.